What's up, guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel, the Crypto Jagaban. So on this channel now, we'll upload legit videos on how to claim free airdrops and make money online. So if you have seen the channel for the first time, you should consider subscribing because we upload legit videos. As you can see in our previous videos, you can make money online using any of these steps because they are tested and trusted. So now, before we go any further, I want to appreciate you guys because as you can see, we are progressing rapidly. We have 1.k subscribers, as you can see. So I made a video about the Ecosys Lumia on how to create an Ecosys Lumia account. I'm going to peruse through the video briefly. So now this is the video I made about the Ecosys Lumia. I'm going to peruse through some part of the video and tell you why I am making a new video about this same Ecosys.
About the Ecosys Lumia. So this is the login page of the Ecosys Lumia. But we are going to be using African Diaspora Central Bank, ADCB, as abbreviated. This is the so now I have imputed my password. The basic information you should know about the Ecosys is the Swifin ID. Give me some minutes. Now, as you can see, basic information. Swifin ID. As you can recall, Ecosys Lumia is powered by the Swifin. Without the Swifin ID, you can't register for Ecosys Lumia. So if you don't have the Swifin ID number, you should get a pen and copy it now, and the name, because you are going to most definitely need it to activate your account. It is very important. Now you see the Swifin ID, the name, the email you have.
So without wasting much of the time, I will take you to this topic of today. So we'll be heading straight to the Lumia app, the Ecosys Lumia app, where we can be doing it practically. And in this video, basically, I'm going to be giving you a tutorial practically, and I'm going to show you by writing so that it will be easy for you to understand and comprehend. So I'm going to log in my own personal account. So guys, welcome to the home page of my Ecosys Lumia, powered by the Swifin. So this is it. So there are many questions that I have been getting from our users and our viewers. So I'm going to tackle everything stage by stage. As I said, I'm going to give you a practical tutorial and I'm going to take you through writing, how it has been announced, how it has been designed. I took time to arrange everything so that it will be made clear how much you can earn, how long you are going to earn, and the time is going to be listed in some countries, and in some other countries like South Africa it has already been listed. So guys, pay close attention and don't skip any part of this video because every information I'm going to be leaving here is very vital. So firstly, we are going to be tackling the account issues. We are going to be handling the account issues first. We go on to withdrawal, earning stages, and how much you can earn and how long you can also earn it. So pay close attention. As I earlier said, we go to the account. Welcome to the account home page. So we do have 4 accounts in this Ecosys Lumia. As you can see, we have the AKL account, the EUX account, and the GBS account. Lastly, the UXS account. So many people have been having confusions on how this works basically. So please pay attention. So the AKL account has been credited, as you can see, 6.4968032 AKL available. As you can see, the EUX has not been credited, the GBX has not been credited, but this is not all the other accounts. Many people have been credited almost 3 of the accounts, remaining 1. Some have been credited all. Why? Is because Nigeria hasn't listed this Ecosys Lumia. It has to be approved. It's going to be approved in October. So likely we are going to start receiving this cash quick starting from October. That's why we have delays. Sometime in a period of a month or two, you just get one account credited because it is not working effectively. But when it's being fully signed, fully passed into you, then everything is working accurately without you having to even check. All you need to do is that you should just calm down. There is no stages for you or tasks to complete to in. Just relax and be checking your account from time to time. As you can see, the AKI account was credited without you even knowing. You just came in and you saw that it had been credited. That's how it's going to be done to the other account, vice versa. It will be credited without your knowledge. You only come and see it. So when it has been credited now, what is the question that comes to your mind? How are you going to convert this currency to your local account? That is another stage of what I'm going to be explaining for you today. So if you have gotten this money, this AKL, the EUX, GPX, and the UXX account, what you are going to do is they are going to drop the withdrawal link for you. So in that withdrawal link, I won't be showing you that practically because the link hasn't been dropped. So if it's been dropped, when it's being dropped, I will show you how to do it. I will make a video on how to withdraw on Swifin. So when it's being dropped now, the link will be dropped there. You have to put in your local bank information. So if you are satisfied, if you are approved, and if you are using my moderator Swifin ID, then I will allow all the money that have been credited to be automatically withdrawn, because the moderator has to approve for all the people he have bring so that they can withdraw. So I will approve for everybody using my Swifin ID to withdraw to his or her own local account. So that is how it works. There is no link yet because the accounts haven't been fully credited. That's why you don't see any withdrawal option, but you see the money. And note, you can't withdraw only on one account. I'm opening the AKL. You can see the balance, no result, advanced searches. As you can see, you can also open the EUX. It will show you the same thing, but this one with no balance. So don't get confused. And you don't have to do any work to earn. You don't have to do any work. And remember that. Make payment, receive. You can pay bills. You can scan QR code, find user to Swifin ID. Now, if you want to pay payment, you want to pay something. Let me say you want to pay NEPA bill or anything. You can convert. Which account do you want to use? That's the first question that comes to your mind. Now you can convert the money. If you want to use AKL, but you want to use it through GBX account, you can send from GBX convert to AKL. Then you can pay. You can put the amount, and you're going to put the amount not in our Naira currency. How they arrange it, I will also make a video on that when they shortlist how much was every amount was. You can see. So this is just the minor things. This is not a major thing. I'm going to take you now to the writing aspect, to the paperwork of this ecosystem. It's going to explain everything vividly and you understand. So stay tuned because I made sure I wrote everything down perfectly, and I'm going to show you how the ecosystem operates fine. And I'm going to show you a Lumia currency. I'm going to show you one Lumia currency. So pay close attention because this is 100% legit. Welcome to my notepad. So you can see we have different things here. I want to start with the list. African countries. Where do Ecosys Lumia operate? Ecosys Lumia operates all over the African countries. As you can see, some of the countries haven't approved it, but countries that have approved it and are using this Ecosys Lumia are South Africa and the rest. As you can see, look at the countries here. South Africa have approved it and they are using it and it's doing well. The purpose of this ecosystem is to eradicate poverty. So you see, ecosystem crypto Japan. So I'm going to be reading this. Pay close attention. As you can see, ecosystem. Ecosystem is issue a Lumia economic stimulus valued at US $100, the equivalent of 6.26 Lumia. That is what have been credited to your AKL account. Take the cash back and you see that is what have been credited to your AKL account. 6 point anything after the point. As far as it's 6, anything after the point is not all that relevant. Just focus on the 6 point. That is how much you have. So how long are they going to pay you 6.26 Lumia per person per month? Every month you are going to be credited 6.26 Lumia. So we are going to be collecting it every month for a period of 3 good years. And if you see per year you are collecting $12. If you convert the dollar, why I'm using dollars, because we are not going to be talking about a particular country, we are talking about the whole African countries, and they have different methods on how to use naira or money in their own specific country. So I'm using the dollar to make everything easy. How long will stimulus be paid? So there's another thing here. I also stated how long will stimulus be paid. The first issuance of funds will be October 28, 2020. It was supposed to be dead, and it is currently ongoing in other countries. The last issuance of funds will be October 28, 2023. That's when the ecosystem will stop giving out funds. So now in other countries that have been passed to build, they're enjoying the effect of this money. So in like Jamaica and South Africa, they are enjoying this money till then. So where can I use this currency? We will be promoting throughout the African diaspora and African businesses and merchandise globally to accept the Lumia in exchange of goods and services, therefore creating our own worldwide economy and economic sovereignty. Look at this is the currency, which is 1 Lumia, Bank of Akompang. You see, this is how an ecosystem Lumia look. Down to here, this is so now payment strategy. The economic community of the 6th African region has over the past 11 months embarked on an empowerment with the aim of eradicating poverty in the African region. This is dealing with only African countries. You should have that in mind. The Lumia grant, according to Mark Bessel, who is the head of the African Diaspora Central Bank, will be paid via the Swifin platform directly to any person registered, irrespective of their social status. The ecosystem Lumia doesn't have respect for any social status or any level. As far as you are registered, you'll be paid directly to your Swifin, and you can convert from your Swifin to your local currency. So watch out, because I'm going to make a video on how you can move from Swifin to your local bank. Beneficiaries of the program lamented over and the inability to swap the said Lumia to their local currencies. However, people are complaining, so people are having issue to swap it, but because it is now new that is being like that. However, Queen Sheba the Tree explained that the only countries with digital currency can withdraw or exchange the Lumia for now, and luckily most of the countries operate on digital currency: Nigeria, South Africa, and so on and so forth. This is also an image of an Eco Lumia. This is a Lumia currency. So the release date, hopefully for Nigerians, this is now where it concerns basically Nigerians. For Nigerians, hopefully for Nigerians, the CBN is set to release digital currency in October 2021. May be allowed to exchange any foreign currencies. That is next month. That is something great. That is an awesome news. So you guys should watch out for October, because they are going to be released in October this year. Age number. This is a stimulus to encourage social economic growth. All African in the diaspora and all African on the continent over the age of 18 will be received the currency. 18 stated. If you aren't 18, then there is nothing for it. That's why if you are registering there, you are expected to upload your national ID to make sure you are this years you say you are. You give them evidence without any reasonable doubt. It is a pan-African stimulus across all African countries and nations and territories and the diaspora to support economic development. Is this a cryptocurrency? And what is this backend? Ecosys is not a cryptocurrency. This is not a cryptocurrency. The Lumia is is underwritten by 100k of solar energy and convertible to grains of gold. 4 grades of gold in weight equal to 0.2592 grams. The current value of 1 Lumia is $15.96 US dollars. So with all this tutorial now, I'm going to summarize and break all this down for you to understand. I teach all this just for you to understand, so you should just pay close attention because I'm going to be breaking everything down for you. Back to my home page, back to my dashboard. There are many things on this dashboard. It's not everything that you're going to focus on because some of these things doesn't really concern us. Some of these options here are basically for Swifin users, like the marketplace. You can buy things here, like let me say housing, just for reference purpose or example, apartment and housing, something like this. They sell property on this Swifin also, like this property has been listed for selling. Look at the information here. You can add to chat, you can ask questions. If you have enough Lumia, you can also use to buy. You can see, like this person asked, do you take Lumia? Yes, but you don't have enough to pay for the product. You see, so this is Swifin package, not an Echo package. An Echo package is different. Echo is just aliasing with the Swifin to make payment for its users easy. So guys, this is all for all. I don't think there's anything, but if there anything you think that is still hindering you, hit us on the Telegram group, WhatsApp group, or the comment section so that we can reply you instantly. And make sure you use the Swifin ID to reg, or else you'll be asked to pay a sum of 1,000 naira so that you will get given the Swifin ID. Now I am going to be your moderator from now on. Any problem you have, you will get us through the WhatsApp or the Telegram group. But most likely, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell for more videos because you upload legit videos. Thank you guys. See you next time.